We learn in the Quran about the believers, especially those who came after the companions. And these are the believers until the Day of Judgment. Their dua is, رَبَّنَا اغْفِرْ لَنَا وَلِإِخْوَانِنَا الَّذِينَ سَبَقُونَا بِالْإِيمَانِ. That our Lord forgive us and forgive our brothers who preceded us in faith. وَلَا تَجْعَلْ فِي قُلُوبِنَا غِلًّا لِلَّذِينَ آمَنُوا. And put not in our hearts any resentment toward those who have believed. إِنَّكَ رَؤُوفٌ رَحِيمٌ. Indeed, you are kind and merciful. Our Lord, indeed, you are kind and merciful. So we see that here, we are seeking forgiveness for us, for ourselves, and also for those believers who came before us. That Ya Allah forgive them as well.